Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha Sultana Narayanpe. In today's video, I'm going to show you my B.Ed third semester unit test and unit plan record book. Okay, so if you are also pursuing bachelor's of education and you are confused about how to write your unit plan and unit test record, then this video is definitely going to help you. And yes, I'll be showing you the unit test and unit plan record book step by step in detail. Okay, for my English subject, so the book which I'm showing you right now is my English method unit test and unit record book. Okay, I have selected the lesson titled All Stories Are Anansis for ninth standard students. So in this record I have prepared the complete unit plan and unit test based on this lesson. Okay, as you can see in the video, first of all, it is very important to start your unit plan record with introduction section. There you have to write about what is unit test and unit plan, and then meaning and definition of unit plan. Okay, after that you should write the construction of unit plan and its methods in detail for better understanding. Then comes the methods section. In method 1, you have to define the objectives clearly. Then in method 2 and method 3, you will explain the planning process in detail. Okay, especially in backward planning, you have to include the important steps properly. Steps are very important. Step 1 is considering the goals for the academic year before constructing the unit plan. Step 2 is developing a series of essential questions that guide students towards understanding the course content effectively. Okay, and the step 3 is, that refers to connecting the unit with the overall superstructure while planning and sequence of units. And step 4 focuses on crafting interdisciplinary units. Apart from this, you also have to mention points like finding useful patterns. Okay, thinking creatively about how different disciplines overlap, and expanding student exposure to concept and learning goals. Okay, and then uh, then comes the administration of unit plan. After that, you should write the concept of unit plan, okay, in detail, followed by the importance of unit plan and limitations of unit plan, structure of unit structure of sorry teaching unit. Okay. Mm, and essentials of unit plan, characteristics of unit plan, and planning points. And yes, one important thing I would like to tell you all is that you should write all the main content only on the front side of the pages. Okay, and please avoid writing the important writing work on the back side of the pages, because presentation also matters a lot in B.Ed records. Okay, it will not look good if you write on the back side of the page, so avoid it. Okay, after completing all these theoretical sections, you can begin with the lesson that you have selected for conducting the unit test. Another very important section is weightage. You have to mention like weightage to, it is already printed in your unit test unit plan book. The headings like weightage to instructional objectives, weightage to content, weightage according to forms of questions and marks distribution. Okay, so these sections are extremely essential for your record work. And yes, one more important thing is you also have to prepare the unit test question paper by yourself. Like I have prepared it and also attached in the book, this unit plan unit test book. Okay, you have to staple there where the section is. And yes, you must write the scoring key or answers, especially for section A, B, C. There are sections like section A, B, C. So according to your question paper, you have to write the answers as well in your unit test, unit plan record book. Okay. After conducting the test, you need to prepare the mark list of the students and rank them according to their performance. Okay, like rank 1, rank 2, or rank 3, and so on. Okay, then comes the statistical part of the record. You have to include raw score data. Okay, frequency distribution table, statistical calculations, graph representation. Okay. And finally, at the end of the record, you have to write the conclusion and bibliography. So yes, this is how I prepared my B.Ed. Okay, B.Ed third semester unit test and unit plan record book. I hope this video helps you understand how to write and organize your own record neatly and systematically. Okay, and if you found this video helpful, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more B.Ed record work, lesson plans, and educational content. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.